Hello viewers, greetings from Boston. Hope you're all well. I made purchase of iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's unbox this together. I wanted to take a look at it. Wow, it's just a box, nothing else inside a thing in the box. So okay, that's a surprise. I thought it will be a bigger box. It's just flat. The iPhone Pro Max size box, and that's fine as long as the phone is good. It's fine. You see, there are four colors: silver, graphite, gold, and Pacific blue. But I decided to buy the gold one because I like the gold color. And you see, on the back of this phone, the texture is a very matte glass finish. Inside, not very much. Basically, this particular one has the 128 gigabyte capacity, and at the front of the phone, which has that ceramic shield, and it's really smooth. It's so smooth when you just touch it, you can feel it's very, very smooth than the other phones. I really like that one. It weighs about 228 grams.
Okay, it comes with the USB-C lightning cable. It's pretty standard. And this one has, I think, probably documentation inside, basically. Let's see there. And the Apple sticker. And the documentation information. Okay, it comes with the usual side button and volume buttons up and down, and also ring and silence button, and then built-in stereo speaker and built-in microphone and lightning connector as well. It's pretty smooth, curved corner, stainless steel, and it's a kind of a matte finished. It's really nice.
You see, it comes with the dual SIM, and a nano SIM can also be inserted. But when using two lines in dual SIM mode, 5G data isn't supported on either line and will fall back to 4G LTE. So that's something, uh, we need to know more about that. Okay, let's transfer the app and data first. And before you do that, please back up your old phone data and apps first.
I'm just gonna activate my phone. So it may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. So let's do that. I'm not gonna do the Face ID. Well, it's asking for Face ID. Get started. Let me do that. I have done the twice Face ID scanning. Well, I need to create a passcode.
Okay, after creating the passcode, I'm going to restore my app and data from the iCloud backup. After software update, I wanted to take a look at the video zooming feature.
We are in a darker room. I'm gonna use the zoom in and zoom out toggling a little bit. Let's take a look at that. Wow, that is really good. I like that. Let's go back. Just like in iPhone 11 Pro, same similar kind of feature.
The picture is very sharp.
I can go up to, I can zoom up to 7x. Okay, this is 4.7x. I'm gonna reduce that and see how it takes it. You see that? This is quite smooth. It's really nice, smoothly. You can zoom in and zoom out. It's really, really nice.
Okay, guys, for more technical specification, please check on the Apple website. And thank you for watching. Okay, see you all soon.